Hi everybody. Today we are going to make mandi recipe with leftover ghee rice, which left in a ceremony of Milad Nabi. I have been wanting to do this English video for a long time. Now we can go to video. First of all, take 1 kilogram chicken. After washing the chicken, add turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala, cloves, dried lemon and food color. Food color is optional. After shaking well, put the chicken pieces one by one in the cooker. Then pour sunflower oil, but I have taken is coconut oil because coconut oil is more healthy due to natural. Meanwhile, boil water in another pot. After boiling, add cloves and cardamom and leaves to the water. Then put the rest of ghee rice in boiling water. After it boils well, drain it with a rising bowl and place over the chicken in the cooker. And take some charcoal in a bowl and put it in the cooker and add a little oil to it and cover the cooker. Then turn on the cooker on high flame and after blowing a whistle, turn it off. Then put it in the another bowl and mix well. Then we can serve it with good taste. The benefit of this that we can avoid the problem of having old food again and again. In addition, we can eat food that has a good taste. You can also make it like this. Thanks for watching video.